never hear, wetin person I never see for this coronavirus. That's how Baba Suliya come test positive. They come reach hospital, they come tell Baba Suliya say he go die. He come Iya Suliya, my wife, I wan tell you something before I die. Confession time. I get properties, I get will. Inside my will, I get 2 pikin where them born for me for outside the marriage. Waiting, I get 2 pikin for outside the marriage with their 2 mothers. So all of them, they inside the will. You yourself, plus Suliya, your pikin, all of you, baby, I enjoy all my properties. Hey! Unfortunately and unfortunately, Baba Suliya no come die. Baba Suliya no come die. They come reach us. Baba Suliya come talk. I beg everything where I talk for hospital. No be me talk more. That the corona vaccination, corona injection, corona tablet, where enter my head, where enter my skull. As I talk to you, there's fire inside the house, there's fire outside the house, there's fire behind the house. I don't know if Iya Suliya don't pack out, if she don't commit murder, if she don't commit suicide. I don't understand what's they happen now, but there's fire on the mountain.